Hello product designers, our industry is changing fast. AI is generating UI in seconds and no code is building websites without developers, and companies are now expecting designers to think like product managers. So what's next for us? Will product designers become obsolete, or are we entering the best era ever? Don't worry, I will get you covered everything in this video. Do you remember when designers were only responsible for making things look pretty? Okay, let me tell you a story. Back in 2010s, the designers were completely focused on UI, like clean layout, color theory and typography. So they were using Photoshop and Sketch. But in 2020s, it was all about UX design and interaction design. So they were using Figma and Adobe XD. But in 2030 and beyond, it would be all about AI-driven, no-code and spatial UX. So fast forward to today, our role has completely transformed. For example, a designer at Airbnb today isn't just making beautiful app screens. They are working with data scientists, AI tools and developers to optimize bookings and increase revenue. This shift means if you are just focusing on UI design, you are falling behind. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. I'm talking about AI only, so chill. Coming to the point, if tools like Figma AI can generate UI in seconds, then what does this mean for designers? Is that an end? No, that's not the case. Because AI is just here for automating repetitive work, not creativity. Here's the reality check. AI helps generate layout ideas, but designers add strategy. AI writes UX copy, but designers understand human emotions. AI creates illustrations, but designers make them more meaningful. Now let's talk about the real world example. Jasper AI can create the website content, but it can't craft the powerful brand story which a skilled UX writer can make. So if you know how to use AI effectively, you can become 10x faster and more valuable. So AI won't replace designers, but designers who use AI can replace those designers who are not using AI. So mind it. If you want to stay relevant and if you want to earn more as a designer, then you must master these 5 skills. First is AI-driven design. Learn Figma AI, ChatGPT and Midjourney for efficiency. Because if a company uses AI to automate their designs, they still need a designer to refine it according to the brand. Second is front-end development. Learning HTML, CSS and React can set you apart. Because if you see designers at Stripe, they work with engineers and even they code some parts of UI. It's not compulsory, but if you learn these things, it might be helpful for future. Third is data-driven UX. Try to learn A/B testing, heat map and user research analytics. Because if you master this, you can make absolute data-driven UX decisions. If you say Netflix is changing their UI based on user behavior because they analyze the data how their users using their platform. And fourth is try to learn 3D and motion design. AR, VR and spatial UI are the future of digital experiences. So try learning this. If you see, designers at Apple Vision Pro are actively working on 3D interfaces. And fifth, you want to master business and product thinking. The best designers understand revenue, customer behavior and market trends. If you see, the more senior designers will be transitioning into product management tools. So you have to master this also. And if you master all these skills, companies will chase you and not the other way around. Now let's talk about money. Product designers who will upskill themselves in terms of AI, coding and data can earn 30 to 50% more than other designers. And if you see product designer at mid-level or making around 12 to 18 LPA, and UX engineers who can design and code, they are earning around 18 to 25 LPA, and design lead or head of design are earning around 25 to 40 LPA, and freelancers who are with AI powered workflow are earning around 10 to 30 LPA plus. And if you want to land in a really high paying job, then focus on AI driven design, UX analytics and product strategy. These skills are like gold. So the future of product design isn't just about making pretty screens. It's all about being a strategic problem solver who understands data, business and AI. So tell me, are you ready for the future? And comment below what's the skill you think as a designer should learn in 2025. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe button to receive more content like this, and hit the bell icon also. And if you want to know more about UI UX design roadmap, then check out this video. Happy learning, happy learning. Bye guys, see you on next video. Until then, signing off, Sulakshmi S.